Alright, gonna do a quick video here of the Trans Am. Now this car's got also has 9H ceramic on it, but I also used some of this stuff right here. Pretty good stuff. It's as a sealant. Actually, it was full. I did the Trans Am twice, and I did my truck once, and only used that much. Don't need very much of it. It does a good job. It covers fast, and it really gives an amazing shine. So definitely impressed with it for the money. Again, I painted this car. This ain't factory paint. This is I painted this car. I'm not a professional painter, and this was my first attempt at a paint job. So and the paint ain't gonna be 100% perfect, but it looks damn good for what it is. So I did everything. I did plastic, glass, paint. I'm a little shadowed, but it's also on the taillights. Taillights are painted and then 2K cleared. The whole car is 2K cleared too, so come out looking pretty good. Like I said, it's got 2 coats of the ceramic shield on it, and then it's got also has a 9H ceramic on it. So just use the other as a sealant to help prolong the other ceramic. And also got it on the truck. Truck's been sitting out though. There's the truck. So that's it.